Good day everyone, I go by name Skyrot. You can see this video. I am an affiliate marketing coach and I train people on how to make money online. Presently I'm still teaching people on how to make money on ClickBank, and so as you can see, this is really giving me great sales. So to earn big money like this, contact me on my Gmail at skyrot@gmail.com. But first, watch my video to see what I have for you. Thank you.
Yes, I go by the name Skywet and I train people on how to make money online. If you can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yes, one of the things you need to consider when you want to become a successful affiliate marketer is that you need to work on your traffic. Yes, the traffic system you use for your platform or for your links, because in affiliate marketing, the backbone of affiliate marketing, or let me say the summary of affiliate marketing, is that you are going to be selling a particular product for a particular company and you are going to get the commission for each product to sell. So for you to have for you to earn high in affiliate marketing now, you need to have a source for your organic traffic that will come and buy your product, as a daily sales for every of your products you are posting. So that is where I come in, because I have developed a affiliate marketing traffic generating software which I've been using for a while now, and it has been giving me excellent results like the one you can see on the screen. Yes, I've earned millions through this software, and the software is up for sale now. Yes, it's up for sale now, and I also have a video course. I've recorded a video course that will take you step by step on how to use the software to get sales on your platforms, on any of your affiliate marketing platform, because my software is not only applicable to ClickBank alone, but you can use it on other affiliate marketing platforms also to get sales like the one you can see on the screen. Also, if you are getting my software, I'm going to create an account for you, a ClickBank account. Yes, there's restrictions on some countries. Not minding the restriction, I'm going to create an account for you. And in my video course also, you have access to some information that will help you become a successful affiliate marketer, some secrets which other affiliate marketers may not know. That's why they are struggling with affiliate marketing and sharing link every day. But with my software, you don't need to sharing. It is a set up type of software in which you just have to set it up and it will start broadcasting your message to leads online. So to get my software and video course today, contact me on my Gmail at skyrot@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skyrot@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen to get my software and video course today. Enjoy the click of the smart ones that are making hedge and making millions on affiliate marketing. So contact me today and I'm going to create an account for you. Also, my students know that I'm always accessible every time you need a question, or you need guidance, or you need guide for me to guide you. I'm always available for my students. Also, I manage account for my students also. Yes, if maybe due to one reason or the other you need me to manage your account for a while, I'm going to manage your account for you, and you're going to pay for that too. So contact me today on my Gmail at skyrot@gmail.com, or on Telegram through this number you can see on the screen to get my software and video course. Enjoy the click of the smart ones that can make it hedge in affiliate marketing. Thank you. Once again, I go by the name Skyrot and I train people on how to make money online.